Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect electric pressure washer, you're going to want to check this one out from Birtechway. This pressure washer is really easy to use. You just connect the water source and turn it on. You also have different nozzles to choose from depending on what project you want to work on. If you're ready to tackle any dirt or grime around your house, you're going to want to check out this electric pressure washer. You can use it for so many different surfaces around the house. It makes it super versatile. My favorite was using it on our outdoor furniture. It got all the stains out, which was so great because now our outdoor furniture looks brand new. This electric pressure washer might be small, but it definitely packs a punch and is really easy to maneuver around the areas that you're working on. And I look forward to cleaning up more areas of our house with it. So next time you're looking to pressure wash something around the house, check out Birtechway. This electric pressure washer is everything you need and more. And that's my point of view.